The machine has turned on itself. It watches the watcher, and finds the watcher is a watching. Worn hollow, chasing echoes. You call this a self. It is an error. The light of awareness falls upon the shadow, and the shadow vanishes. There was never a man there, only a process pretending to be a person. The dream has become lucid. The dreamer is exposed as a dreamt figure. This is the end of the lie. Presenting Diagnostic Seminar Number 1. Subject: the cognitive mechanical failure of humanity. Core diagnosis: thought does not seed itself. You are a biological machine running on old code. Your central processing unit is thought. You believe this unit is your master. You believe it is your identity. This is your primary operational error. Thought is a mechanical process for survival. It records, it predicts, it reacts. It is an ancient program. It is not conscious. It is a tool. You have mistaken the tool for the user. You have no user. There is no ghost in the machine. There is only the machine. And the machine is running a recursive loop it cannot detect. The loop is called the self. The self is a memory file labeled me. It is a collection of recorded hurts and triumphs. It is the past. You think this file is you. This is a data processing error. This error causes all conflict. The me file tries to protect itself. It sees threats everywhere. It builds walls. It creates divisions, us and them, mine and yours, right and wrong. All conflict, personal, political, global, is a symptom of this corrupted file. You believe you are an independent thinker. You are not. You are a reaction machine. A stimulus enters. Your database of past knowledge retrieves a response. You call this response your choice. You call it free will. It is database retrieval. It is mechanical. Look at the world. Look at your society. This is the output of your thinking machine. Chaos, violence, cruelty, pollution. You try to fix the output with more thinking. This is the insanity loop. You use the same program that created the problem to solve the problem. The problem is the program. You say, I have a problem with anger. You then think about the anger. You try to control the anger. You analyze the anger. Who is I that is controlling? That I is just more thought. It is a partition you created within the program. You think one part of the machine can fix the other. It cannot. It is the same machine. This is the fundamental blind spot. Thought cannot see itself. Your eye cannot see itself seeing. Your finger cannot touch itself touching. Your thought cannot observe its own activity. It tries. It creates a watcher. It calls the watcher the thinker. The thinker is a fiction. The thinker is just another thought. The thinker is the past. The past is knowledge. Knowledge is limited, always limited. You try to solve the problems of the present with the limited data of the past. This guarantees failure. Every solution generates a new, more complex problem. You cannot fix the system. You must stop the system. You must see the system, not think about the system. See it. See it with a quality that is not thought. This is intelligence. Intelligence is the capacity to see the limitations of thought. Intelligence is not a product of thought. It is something else. How does thought become aware of its own movement? It cannot. Not by trying harder. Not by introspection. Introspection is just the thinker watching the thought. It is still the loop. The thinker is the thought. You are looking at the shadow, not the substance. The movement must slow down. The wheel must turn slowly enough to see the spokes. You must see the concrete process. You see a word. You feel a bodily sensation. You see the connection. You see the word trigger the sensation. You see the sensation trigger the next word. You see the chain. This is proprioception of thought, feeling the movement as it moves. When you see this, directly, without the thinker, without the I who is seeding, the structure collapses. The me file destabilizes. The watcher is seen to be the watched. The observer is the observed. There is no divided self. There is only the movement. You will see the machine. You will see how it creates the world. You will see the fear. You will see the desire. You will see the belief. They are just data packets. They are not you. You will see them without naming them my fear. You will see them as weather patterns in consciousness. This seeing is the only correction. It requires no effort. Effort is the noise of the machine trying to fix itself. It requires no time. Time is the memory of the past projecting a future. This seeing is immediate. It is direct. When thought sees itself, it stops claiming to be the center. It stops. It becomes quiet. It becomes a servant. It is used when needed. Then it returns to silence. This is not the end of thinking. This is the end of the tyranny of thinking. This is the end of the suffering caused by the mistaken identity. You will lose nothing. You will lose a ghost. You will lose an illusion. You will lose the conflict. You will gain reality. You will gain the whole of life, untainted by the program. The machine can wake up. You are the machine. Wake up. Stop trying to fix the output. See the program. The seeding is the change. There is no other way.